Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will take you through how to reinstate your disabled page. So if you have your Facebook page disabled, please stay tuned. By the end of this video, you will be able to get a solution to your restriction. If you are new here, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for more powerful videos like this. So, let's go into the details. So first of all, you have to log into your account. And when you log into your account, maybe go to Ad Manager, you will see if you are having a user or ad account restriction, it will appear on the Ad Manager that you are restricted from advertising or your ad account has been disabled. And you can see details, and you click on the see details and it will take you to account quality. However, if it is a page or business manager, just like this one, you will have to come and click on the three lines on the left hand corner. The three lines. When you click on the three lines, account quality will appear among one of them. We choose that one. So, okay, so as you can see, this account quality. So when you click on the account quality, it will open to account quality here. So under account quality, you will see account issues. Then you will see Facebook account and the pages and any disabled asset. You will see it. So for example, when you click on account issues, if you have any restriction, it will show. Okay, so if you have, as you can see, there are two pages here and they have been restricted. I want to appeal for the second one. Now, when you have any restriction, when you check here, you see if you have a user account restriction or page restriction, it will show here. If it's a business manager, normally you will see Meta Business. And when you click on it, you will see if it is a business manager. Now, if your restriction is a user account restriction, it is similar to this one. So even if you follow this video to the end, whether it's a business manager or it's a page, whether it's a business manager page, ad account, you will be able to reinstate it. However, if you want a more specific video that is for only user account restriction, if a more specific video, you can check the video above. That one I went directly to for user account restriction. Or if you want a video that is specifically for business manager restriction, you can check the video above. That one is specifically for business manager restriction. And then if you want a video that is for page, specifically for page, then follow this video to the end. So once it is a page restriction that I want to focus and then get it reinstated, I'll click on the page. And before I continue, please, if you have any problem, remember to leave it in the comment section. If you have any problem, even if your account is permanently disabled and you don't have a solution, click the link in the description, contact us, and we'll help you get a solution. We have several options that we can help you to get back, and our prices are very affordable. So when you contact us, we'll look at your situation and we'll look at the best way. We can even schedule a Zoom meeting to help you get your problem resolved. Okay. So you click that, and then now you can see under the where you can do section, you can see request a review. So to request, I have to request a review for this account. And before I request a review, there are two things that I need to do. And then one of them is I have to change the name on this user account to be exactly the same as the card I will use. If they're asking me, normally they'll ask me to, or whoever that you are, they will ask you to do identity confirmation and request a review. So before you do the identity confirmation, you have to change your account name to match with the name on your ID card. And then you have to also change your birth date and then your gender. So for example, you come back to, this is the account, for example, you come back to the account and then you click on the name. You see your name at the top right hand corner. When you click on your name, you see settings and privacy. When you click on settings and privacy, It will take you to the name or your personal information, then your name, and you change your name. Make sure your first and last name is matching exactly with what is on your your identity card. If your first and your last name is not matching with what is on your identity card, you can be rest assured that your identity confirmation will fail. But if your first name and your last name is matching, even if you have a middle name, I will advise you put the middle name. So first, last name are more important. If you have a middle name, you can include it on this your Facebook account. Then you change it. So after you change it, you also have to come and change the your birth date. Make sure you change your birth date and your gender as well. So how do you do that? You come and look at your name on the top left hand corner and click on your name. Then after you click on your name, it will take you to your about section. So click on the about. After you click on your about, you scroll down to contact and basic info, and then you will see your birth date. Your make sure the month, the year, and the day is matching, and your gender is matching. After that, after you change it, you save it. If you have changed your birth date more than 3 times, you will not be able to change your birth date. So in that case, check the video above. Follow that video to be able to change your birth date, even if you have changed your birth date more than 3 times. Follow the video above to be able to change it. Okay, so after you are done with that, come back to the account quality. Then when you click on request review, for those of you who have not done the identity confirmation, they will ask you to put to submit your identity confirmation details. But I have already, for this account, we have already done the identity confirmation. So they may not ask us to still do it because we've done identity confirmation in the last 1 month. So they may not ask us to do the identity confirmation again. So we are going directly to request a review. So if you didn't do identity confirmation, when you click on request review, they will ask you to confirm identity and request the review. But I am going directly to request a review. So I'll click on get started. Then they will ask me, why are you requesting a review? I'll click on another reason, and then I'll type the reason that I want to put has already been there. So what I have written is that my Facebook page has been restricted, and it has been a big blow to my business because the core of my business depends on Facebook ad to sell. I have run several ad campaigns, and none of them has ever been rejected. And I am extra sure I didn't violate any policy because I have gone through their Facebook advertising policies and community guidelines, and I am sure I haven't violated any of them. And I am sure this one will be a mistake from them. So they should please reinstate my page for me. And I'll go ahead to add that. In case I violate any policy without knowing, I am sorry, but they should help me get my page reinstated. You can even quote the reason. The reason that the reason that they gave was that my account, this page is not allowed to advertise because, let me just read directly what they said so that you will understand. They said, this page isn't allowed to advertise. This is because you didn't comply with one or more for advertising policies or standards, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent an ad review process, participating in fraudulent deal, or associating with untrustworthy accounts. And that is the reason they gave. So you have to state whatever they said, and then try to appeal to the conscience of the one that will be reading your review to help you get your page reinstated. So when you do that, at the end of the day, you are really going to get a solution. So after that, you click on the send, and your appeal will be sent. For those of you who don't know probably where you can get the reason, this is the reason. The reason is here. As you can see, this page isn't allowed to advertise. This is because the page didn't comply with one or more of our advertising policies or other standards, such as having too many ads rejected, attempting to circumvent an ad review process, or participating in fraudulent. So please make sure you come to account quality, check the asset that has been disabled and what exactly that you need for it to be disabled, and then try to appeal to them. I know if you do this, you submit it after you've changed your name to match with your ID card and then your gender and your birthday, it is going to be up with you. They will really reinstate your account for you. So this is exactly what you need to do. If you do this and then your account is still not reinstated, whether your page, your account, your business manager, please still don't hesitate to contact us through the link in the description. We'll check the link in the description. You see my contact details that you can follow to WhatsApp me. You can also follow to book some of my services on my online store so that we can have a Zoom meeting. I will look at your account problems and help you to get reinstated. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.